Ciao! We're introducing DeIorio's famous dough balls. They come in a package of 4, a box of 4, as you can see here. They're all pre-oiled and ready to go, frozen. So you would have to thaw them in your refrigerator the night before and then pull them out, and you're gonna let them get to a nice temperature where it's nice and soft. So we're gonna be making a pizza now using the cookie sheet, and we're gonna add a little bit of flour to our cookie sheet, and we're gonna add a little bit of corn meal to add a little texture to this pizza, because this one is a special pizza. We're gonna take our dough, we're gonna flip it onto our pan. We're gonna press it, and then we're gonna add a little bit more. Now, we're gonna press along the edges, and then down the center, and once again, the edges, and up. We're gonna stretch a little bit. And if the dough is a little too cold and it's not cooperating, you're gonna pick it up and you're gonna stretch it by hand a little. You wanna go from the inside out until you get the proper size that you're looking for. So it doesn't take long, as you see. And we're gonna lay it right back down. And now for this particular pizza, we're gonna add fresh shredded mozzarella. We're gonna bring it right to the edge. We're gonna add some fresh spinach. And now everybody loves bacon, so we have to put bacon on this pizza. We're gonna add a little bit of chicken, and then we're gonna add our special treat, which is the buffalo sauce. The great thing about this pizza is when this comes out of the oven, we're also gonna drizzle on a little bit of ranch dressing, or you can also try a blue cheese dressing. So we're gonna hit it with the the buffalo sauce. And again, you can go as heavy as you like on the sauce, but remember, when it melts, everything comes together, so you don't need as much as you think. We hit a little oil and garlic. We're gonna drizzle. And then we're gonna take our pan, we're gonna put it into our oven that's been preheated for 425 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes until we have the desired golden brown color. So we're gonna slide it right in. And like all the pizzas that we've been cooking, you always wanna check your oven about halfway through. You might have to turn it a little bit to make sure that the pizza's cooking evenly. And once again, once you let the pizza sit for 3 minutes to settle, we're gonna actually slide it right onto our peel, and we're gonna get ready to drizzle our ranch dressing over. So we're gonna slide our pizza right onto our peel. And now we get to garnish it up with a little bit of ranch, and like I said, if you like blue cheese dressing, you can use that as well. And if you want to get really fancy, you can put it in one of the pastry bags and drizzle it on. And then you have your buffalo style chicken pizza with a little bit of bacon and spinach. And this one is a lot of crisp, a lot of texture to it. Wonderful flavors coming out. Here's a meat lover's pizza. Enjoy. Remember, fresh is always better.